Second place, if you remember, Buddy Woodson pulled out a turn, agreed to take his footage. 312 foot puts him in first place. In your early rubber, 47.50, Mr. Buddy Woodson first place, Mr. Jimmy Yates second place. All right, we got Mr. Charles Luss ready to hook to the sled. Jeff Reynolds behind him. We need Mr. W.T. Dunlap, Vince Boren, Levy Glenn, Greg Rigsby, and Horace Jackson in the late rubber, 47.50. Tonight, August the 9th at 7:30 p.m. at the Macon County Fairgrounds. Also on September the 8th and the 9th at Eagleville High School. Got the these other two pull, we'll have another steel wheel tractor to pull. That helps us down there with the Tennessee Valley Pioneer Power Association. They're members of that club. Imagine won't let me have one. Says I got to win one. Oliver in third place. I believe that's a 1936 model. That tractor is a little reverse psychology for Paul. He gonna pull it now instead of ride it. You look at all that red dirt on him, you can tell where he's been all evening. Paul's a mighty good member. Rides that sled, takes care of Clyde like it was his own. We appreciate it. Thank you, Paul, right? All right. Looking at a little G. John Dale. Oh.
Can't get the thing in gear.
Do you have to just keep like in one gear? I mean, that's really all you have to do. I was going to say she might.
All right. We've about got Miss Wanda ready to go here. Doc, you about ready?
Nope. There you go. Oh, there he goes.
For a third place in the early rubber 5500, we have Paul Ray in first place with 312 feet 2 inches. Mr. Fred Benson, I'm sorry, Mr. Fred Benson on the G. John Deere, 287 feet 7 inches. Drop balls on 2 on it. All right, got Mr. Sidney Groves coming up the track. In just a moment.